Alright, we are gonna clean the water heater. Got a clear hose full of some calcium and a big ball joint valve here, and everything is going into this bucket right here. And we can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's all in the bottom. All those little pieces of calcium just came out. And we have cleaned the water heater about 3 weeks ago. So this is about 3 weeks worth of hard water. I gotta hold this. And we just open the valve fully, all the way. Just for about a second until everything comes out clear on the vinyl hosing. And it is. And it took about a half a bucket. Maybe like 3 or 4 gallons of water to clear it. Alright. And then we have our assistant here that comes to look at it, to inspect the job. Does this look clean, Lelaine, to you?
I see there's a little bit dirt.
Oh, okay. Good. Then everything's clean.